I put it down. All right, can you guys put the cars together? That way I can get the better picture. Just watch out for cars coming down the road there.
Yeah, right here.
All right. You know you guys do. You should put the vehicles up against the side there and then run up the side up there.
I think we're gonna get our truck backwards.
I'm going away. Kyle? Oh no, it flipped over. Oh, there it is. Oh.
Well, we're already in the road, so you're almost in the busy road.
All right, Kyle, you want me to stop now? Oh! That was good. Kyle, can I stop now? Kyle?
Yeah.
Okay.